Hey Warriors, it's Bill McIntosh, and just checking in because I wanted to give you a quick demonstration here. I've seen a lot of confusion and some questions in the thread that people aren't really grasping how MemberSnap works. And for those of you who were not sure, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to log into MemberSnap, show you exactly how it works, and I'll show you. I'll address all the confusion, all the questions, and get it all handled once and for all. So I figured the best way to do that is on video by showing you myself. But first off, I want to just say thank you. The Warrior community has been awesome. You guys have had tons of great questions. The response to MemberSnap has been unbelievable. I can't believe how many people have jumped in and picked up their MemberSnap Warrior Edition product. You guys are great. So for those of you on the fence who have had questions, let's get it out of the way here. So here's the main MemberSnap dashboard, which you can get to at any time. If you ever have any confusion about how to get in, just go to MemberSnap.com, and at the top right of the page, you'll see a login link. At the top right of the home page is the login link, and that'll take you straight to the members area. You log in there. There's a forgotten password thing if you've forgotten your password and you need to get it emailed to you, and you'll log straight into the members area. Now, a couple things that have been going on is people are confused about the templates, the products, how they work, how do you customize the headers, the footers, how do you customize your pages. People are confused about what's working, what's not working, and I'm just going to show everybody everything right here. So first off is creating a brand new site. So once you've logged in, this is the main dashboard, and up here at the top right is a little drop down. And you use this drop down to either create a new site or to edit your sites. And you select your sites from this drop down, and then it activates all the features to edit them. But let's start by creating a new site. So you select create new site, and you've got some options. This one is if you have your own domain name, which I'm not going to use that right now because I don't have time to go register a domain name. But here gives you the simple instructions on how to set up your own domain name. This option is if you don't have a domain name, you can use ours. We'll let you borrow it. So what you get to do is actually have what's called a subdomain. So it will be like, mygreatsite.membersnap.com. I'll call mine testingforwarriors.membersnap.com. So that's the option I'm going to use. You've also got the option to use your own domain name with more than one subdomain. So you could go, let's say I wanted to point billmcintosh.com at MemberSnap and create MemberSnap sites. I could create joeblow.billmcintosh.com, xyz.billmcintosh.com, warriorsareawesome.billmcintosh.com, whatever that might be. That gives me the option to create subdomains on my own domain name. This option lets you borrow ours. So we're going to create this. You've got a variety of options. You can start with a blank website, which has no products in it. It has a sales letter formatted for you, but you have to fill in basically fill it in with your own sales copy. And this is great if you already are in a market or you're already in a niche and you want to create a membership site. You've already got products. Maybe you have private label rights products you want to build a membership site out of. This is the great solution for that. This is one way to turn PLR, like when you buy packages of PLR products, you can turn them into membership sites, like in a Snap now, just using this. So in this case, though, I want to show you an example of one of the themes. So let's go with, let me go with dieting and nutrition. So there's the dieting and nutrition one. And as you select them, you can scroll through and select them, and you'll see the little preview change on the little left. So this shows you a preview of what you're about to make. And there's buying your first home. That's a cool one. Let's see what else. Get published, which tells you how to publish a book. You're hired, which tells you how to get hired. There's some internet marketing ones in here too. Here's a golf one. There's a dating one. One that teaches you how to do PHP, arthritis relief, homeschooling. That's pretty cool. So let's start with, we'll start with dieting and nutrition. Give your site a name. your test site. You decide how you want to process payments. Do you want to use PayPal or ClickBank? Those are the two options that are available right now. We will be adding more payment options in the future, and you will get those when we roll them in. That's one thing you'll discover as you become one of our customers, is that we're constantly updating the software, adding features, and you will be getting those features at no extra charge. So I'm just going to use PayPal for this example, and fake email address at joeblow.com. Now this is just because this would be your PayPal address, so you can receive PayPal payments, but in this case I'm making a fake one. And then we hit create new site. And then you stand back and watch. And it builds the site right before your eyes. Almost done. That's it, it's done. That site is built. And you immediately can start editing and viewing your site. You just click this button right here that says start editing your site. The big option down at here now is you can view the site. Let's go take a look at it. Here it is. So this is an example. It's got the full-blown sales letter. Got the ordering thing at the bottom. And you'll find out that there's a couple things that you can do with these sites. Number one, you can use these just to sell any product. It doesn't even have to be a membership site. It could be a one-time product. But now you've got a way to lock down the members area. So even if you're just charging them once, or say 47 bucks for an ebook, you've now got a complete members area that, and then you can go in and add and edit products anytime you want to. And you can sell products, just even cheap ebooks, and it lets you build a complete product website. It doesn't even have to be a membership site. But you can also continue to add content month after month, and it handles everything. I'll show you how that works now. So first off, if we want to add new downloadable products, so let's say we're charging everybody every month for access to our members area. Under downloads, you can say new download, and you give your download a name. And now here's where you control the drip access. So we can specify which day this activates. So we're going to create a page and a link where they can download. Of course, you can edit with the what you see is what you get editor here. It's just like using Microsoft Word or sending an email. And selling the product. It could help if I spelled right. We'll let our basic members have it. And then of course you can set up multiple different membership levels at different prices, so you can determine who gets the product. And let's say I only want this product to show up on day 31 after their subscription has renewed for the second time. I can do that. So that means people that sign up will not have access to this product until they've been in for 31 days. So then down here, you can give it you can type some content about it. This is a great download. You should be happy to have it. We would upload the file. I don't particularly have a file to upload right now, but normally you would select choose file and upload it, and then you just hit create download. And that's it. You now have a new product inside your members area. That easy. It's a piece of cake. And it's also drip feeding, and you can control what level members have access to it. Next up, you can go here to products, and this is what the people are paying for. It's called products, and you set up different subscription levels. So let's create a new product. Call this Ultimate Edition. Use the product and ID. I'll call it 77. You can decide what kind of product is it. Does that mean that they're paying one time for it, which I told you you've got the option for if you want? Or is it recurring billing where they pay for ongoing access? You can give it a trial period, so I'll say yes, I want to give them a trial. You can actually give them multiple trial periods, but let's make it simple. So let's say the product is $99 every 30 days, and they get a $1 trial for 10 days. So that's it. They'll pay a $1 trial for 10 days and then $99 a month. You can specify the affiliate commissions. You can specify what membership level they get when they buy this, and you can specify where you send them after they buy. You just hit create product. That's it. I now have a new product that I can sell on this website that fast. Pages. It's really, really easy to edit pages. Let's go to the pages link. So here are all my basic pages right here. It comes with an affiliate page, your legal disclaimers, downloadable page, a free report page, a page for your joint venture partners, a login page, privacy, registration, sales letter, and terms of service, all already pre-built in this template. And let's go edit the main sales letter. So let's edit that. And you can go in here. Let's do this. I'm going to quickly add an image. So what you see is what you get editor here. You just click the little button, and I can actually upload images right from my computer here. So I'll say upload, choose file. Let me see, do I have any pictures in here? Let's see. Oh, flowers. Let's put a flower in here. I'm going to put a sunflower on this one. And I just click upload, insert, and there you go. So you have a little flower right there. I hit update page. That's it. It's edited. So you can customize every single page. And let's go look at it. So I'm going to click this link and give me where to go to see it. There you go. See the little flower? That's the flower I just put on there. Now everything is editable. You can edit your headers. You can edit the footer. And if you're an advanced technical person and you know what you're doing, you can even edit what's called, the CSS files. If you know what that means, then you can do that. You can see here, there's advanced stuff. All these things are editable. And if there's been any confusion to the contrary, you should go back to your MemberSnap site and go check that out again. If you've got any trouble still, just PM me. Hit me here on the forum, and I will personally look into your support issues. And yeah, but that's all the basic functionality. So you can edit any page, you can add, websites easily. You can edit your websites, and then you can also use our blank template to create a blank site, so that way you can create it on any niche. You don't have to rely on us and the 20-something pre-built businesses that are in here. You can actually decide for yourself and say, maybe you have a hard drive full of private label rights products that are related to dating. You can build your own membership site starting from scratch with that. And or let's say you're already in a particular niche market that maybe you have blogs or other stuff you're doing. You can now create a membership site. And don't forget, MemberSnap can be used to sell any kind of a product, an ebook, videos, whatever it might be, downloads, and it handles payment processing, a password-protected login area. It's got all that stuff. So this video is getting a little bit long. I'll come back and do another video after I look over some more questions, but I wanted to at least get this quick demo out of the way. And oh, by the way, I've got something really cool for the Warriors. I've got a little contest that we're going to be running for a few days. And there's over $11,000 in prizes, including an iPad, a Kindle Fire, and a bunch of other cool stuff. I'll tell you all about that soon, so keep an eye out for that, and you'll all be eligible to win. All right, that's it. It's Bill McIntosh. I'm signing out. Thanks for being part of the MemberSnap launch.